Doha. I'm a member of Group 2. Let's start our presentation. So the topic is there is beauty and strength both in diversity. Strength lies in diversity, not in similarities. There should be a question, what is diversity? It's just art of thinking independently together. Diversity is about all of us and about us having a way to find how to walk through the world together. In this world, every human being has a right to be independent. They need freedom. But you know what? We are not truly freedom until we allow a diversity of thought and diversity of voices. President of Canada, Justin Trudeau, has told about diversity. Diversity is the engine of invention. Isn't it true? Okay, we can take an example. So I have opened a company. Now I have to design a logo. We have a committee which will design it. If everyone designs same, what's that? That is not so cool, but everyone designs different. He draws that, she draws that, and blah blah. Isn't it so pretty? Like we have options. We have options to choose. But if everyone draws the same logo, we have just one. Diversity shows our invention, our creation. We become creative. We found creative ideas. Then we can come, like, you know, for diversity, for doing everything properly, we have to do just one thing. We have to find a way to celebrate diversity and debate differences without fracturing our communities. Too many of us believe in that, but I feel very sad about the people who don't think like that. They should change their thought, their mind about diversity. We have to celebrate differences, share our similarities. Last of all, I want to say you guys, just think 1 minute. The whole world is very beautiful. There are so many beautiful things in the world. Rainbow is one of them. Rainbow has 7 different colors. If rainbow has all the same colors, will it look like amazing? Like it has 7 same colors? We can take many examples. Like we are in the class right now, and her hobby is drawing. Her hobby is yoga. Like meditation, he likes it. She likes to learn new instrumental things. But if everyone likes to draw, it will not be good. In this class, we have painters, dancers, singers, citers. But everyone will be just painters. It will be so dull and boring. Just think 1 minute. If everything was the same, what a dull and boring life it would be. Disgusting life. Last of all, I want to say you guys that we have to respect each other's diversity. We have to tolerate different opinion. We have to celebrate differences. We have to listen to others potentially. We have to help, respect,